Okay, well, today we got the scaffolding loaded up. We're gonna go get us a shed. All right, Miles is over there wondering where I'm going and why he's not going with me. Huh, Miles? You gonna stay here, watch chickens? All right. Okay, I gotta stop. This straps on this thing are just vibrating like crazy tight, but they need to put a twist in them or put another band on them. Okay, we put a few twists in that. Put a few twists in it and put it on the inside of that bar. Maybe that'll keep this thing from flopping around so much on us. All right, headed back to the job site. Cold, beautiful morning. It's about what's the temperature out here? I'm looking. Oh, it's just hovering above 30 degrees right in there with the sun shining and no wind. All right, we're coming up on a low bridge right here. I got to pull over and make sure this thing isn't gonna hit that power line. That thing looks low. Anyway, we're going slow and cautious here. Let's see what happens. No. Oh, I think that sucker would hit. Oh my God. That just misses by like 3 or 4 inches is all. Wow, I gotta really, well, maybe about 6 inches, but that ain't much. Oh my God. Yeah, these, we got plenty of clearance on these. They're stretched tight. They're not very low. But, and then that one's stretched nice. We're plenty of clearance there. That one's stretched nice and tight. But, yeah, it's those low, saggy ones we gotta watch out for. Has everybody checked their power lines around their local roads? Make sure they're all tight and not low hanging for idiots like me driving around with a tall scaffolding on a trailer. Okay, we got one here. This little... Yeah, we had plenty of clearance on that one. Okay. Good grief. I don't like those. Lift your power lines, people. That guy there's watching me. Oh, not very good thing it's not very far from my house. It's less than 20 minutes from where I live to where I'm taking this carport down. So if it would have been any farther than just 20 minutes away, I would have just completely disassembled my scaffolding. And I may still have to. I may find some low power lines right up here. I don't know. I probably just jinxed myself. Okay, I'm almost to my turn off. Doesn't look like I got any traffic behind me or in front of me. The stress is about ready to go away just as soon as I turn off this main road. And onto the gravel. And then it's just back to low power lines. Alright. We don't have far to go. Oh, although this road just spilled my coffee all over me. Okay. Hopefully that's the worst wreck we have for the day is my coffee. But this road will spill your coffee. I am not fibbing. Oh, looks like we're passing one of the local race cars. Hey, I can see it from here. There it is. That monstrosity right there. I gotta take that down. Hopefully I'm brave enough. So far so good with the scaffolding. It's riding pretty good. We had it strapped down pretty darn good. A road like this. And we still may have some issues when we get up here with low power lines when we go down into the driveway, but we'll deal with it when we get to it. Okay, now we got a low bridge here, but boy, that sucker's pretty tall. We may still have to take the scaffolding down. I think we're gonna have to take that down. Not by much though. Roll it off the back and drag it down there. Yeah, we'll just take it off and roll it down there. Okay, well we're gonna strap it back down, and we're gonna go through that gate down there and come around in the back. That way we don't have to get through here. All right, we'll strap this back down. Lock all these back down. I think I can just get away with putting a little strap across the middle here. Yeah, this is gonna work out much better going this way. Oh yes, I know I got my seatbelt off. Yeah, we got some moo-moos out here. We had to make sure that was closed. Hopefully I cleared that. I might have to take it down a little. Well, we're taller than that building, so I'm gonna have to lower this thing down. Well, here we go. We're gonna untie it and take it off the trailer now. A lot of work for nothing there, but we're experimenting. Okay, we're gonna untie it and roll it off the back. I've got the trailer here in a low spot, so it'll be easier to roll off of there. It's just how we're gonna have to do it. Let's see what we think of that. Maybe I can get that first piece of metal off. Okay. Well, we're up here. Let's see if this one. See if I can get these down. There we go. little update. We're getting there. It's going fast now. I got my scaffolding figured out. Feeling better about this. As long as the wind don't blow. All right, here we are the next day, day number 2. It's cold and windy today. Thank goodness I got all the roofing off. I still have the side panels, which are gonna still be a little treacherous, but here we go. Maybe I can get this thing done today. We'll see. Up on the roof side. Click, click, click. Oh, just one screw holding that on. All right, we're gonna get this thing down without scaring ourselves too bad. Okay, we're marking everything, like where this one just came off of. This was the south west upper trim, leg trim. Just so we can remember how it all goes together, and like I numbered this one, you know, the west bottom end, north, and then I numbered all the legs. That way we know where to go with them. If I get out of sequence, taking it down, I'll know how to put it back together. Boy, that sun is vicious today. So's the wind. That worked. I'll be, what do you call it? That just came down nice and easy and slow and didn't scare anybody except the straps. Okay, live at the Skeletor. Well, we got this whole side off. Now we gotta go over there and get that side off. Okay, we're here at the end of day number 2, and pretty much all the hard stuff's done. We'll stay tuned to come back tomorrow and see how easy it is. Well, hello again. It's day number 3, and we just got all of that to take down. And I'll use this also as a reference. But as cold and windy as it is, it's still progress. Oh boy. I'm just going slow and numbering things as I go. Trying not to get in too big a hurry. Okay, well, we've made it that far without... We've made it that far without dying yet. See what the rest brings. Well, that was way more scary than what it looked like on the video. That was actually a little scary when